This 1080p video shows how Firefox can download videos and music in Linux and in Windows. As a bonus, downloaded videos will not show ads. Open your Firefox browser in Linux or Windows and open the video you want to download. Click up on the hamburger icon and down on Extensions and Themes. Note, the best ad blocker, uBlock Origin, is already installed. Besides find more add-ons, type Easy YouTube Video Downloader and press Enter. Click on the top entry, Easy YouTube Video Downloader Express. Click on Add to Firefox. Tick optional settings if required and click on Add. And then click on OK. You can remove the add-on at any time. I then pressed on the F11 key to reduce the top size and add space below. This is optional and there is no need to press the function key. The green icon below indicates that you are now able to download videos and audio. Scroll down to download an MP4 at 720p or 1080p or an MP3 at 128 or 256 kilobits per second. However, I mainly download videos at 1080p if available, so I clicked on MP4 1080p. Scroll down a bit further to see the video download progress and even further down to see video download complete. The video will be in your downloads folder. I clicked on the video and will now show you a short introduction to my fantastic trip in Sri Lanka. I hope you enjoy these highlights of my trip to Sri Lanka in February 2026. The best thing about this bus tour was the 2-night and longer stays. Other companies should do the same. This was the first of 7 tuk-tuk rides. Back at our 5-star luxury hotel. In the description below this video is a link to the full Sri Lankan video and to my YouTube channels Linux Mint 1080 Tutorials and PC Techtips. If you like this video, forward the YouTube link to your friends. And to be notified of future videos, just subscribe to PC Techtips.